How do I clean my dishwasher filter? Every time you use your dishwasher, you are putting food debris into the dishwasher, so it is important to clean the filter regularly. The filter unit is found at the base of the dishwasher and can be unscrewed and lifted out. Carefully unscrew the cylindrical filter as shown. Run the filter under the tap. You can use a washing up brush to clean smaller pieces of debris from the holes in the filter. When finished, shake off any excess water. Then clean the rest of the filter unit under the tap. Reassemble the unit and ensure it locks together. Replace it back into the dishwasher and twist the unit so it locks into position and both arrows line up as shown. When secure, place the basket back into the dishwasher. Please check and follow these steps. If you need further information, please refer to the instruction manual. To find out more about our cleaning and care products, or to arrange an engineer visit, please visit the Bosch Home Appliances website.